When you thought that I was out, I'd coming right back in.
Let's get the remark now. What's the matter with you? When you thought that I was out, I'd coming right back in.
Hey, ciao! Ciao, baby. That's just a little toy. What are you, crazy? Why? But why do I have to say that? Hey, ciao! Welcome to my show. I'm your chef Carmelo. And last episode, I told you that I was going to show you how to make chicken piccata. But today, the day came that I'm going to show you the real chicken piccata. Okay? The oil. Okay. We'll wait until it gets a little warmer. Put the heater up. Meantime, gonna flour the chicken. You're supposed to flour the chicken. Put it on the side here. We'll wait until the oil gets really hot. Chicken. There we go. Oops. Okay, this is the butter. We're going to use the butter first, then anchovies, garlic, little bit of onions, capers, parsley, sun-dried tomato, and then we'll add on a little chicken stock after the wine. We're going to put the wine. And then the end, after everything is done, we'll cut off a few extra lemon because you got to give the little juice of the taste of lemon a little bit, okay? And that's what makes a piccata. When we put all the ingredients in, butter, parsley, capers, garlic, onion, whatever it is, little chicken stock, and a little wine, Chablis wine, and makes it all set. Now after, at the end, you're gonna put the lemon. The lemon, nobody's gonna taste anything that's in it, but you wanna taste a little bit of the lemon at the end. And that's what makes a chicken piccata. Okay? All right. Put in the butter. Until it melts. Put some garlic in. Okay. Some onions. Very little onions. There you go. Just to give a little flavor. The anchovies. We're gonna wait until everything gets melted. All right. All the anchovies gonna be melted. Remember, folks, all these ingredients is for the taste and everything, but the trick of this chicken piccata is the lemon at the end. Beautiful. Go ahead. Oh, the smell is good. See, the garlic is getting nice. Okay. We're going to add on some little chicken stock. Okay. Then we're going to put some wine. Okay, after simmering for about 7 minutes, then you start putting the chicken in. Okay? And like this, you can always put it like that. Like that. All right, now we're gonna hit on the lemon. That's the chicken piccata. Okay, this bowl I had it since 1965. I bought it in New York, in Brooklyn, New York. We went up to see a feast, and I saw it. I liked this, the pasta bowl, so I bought this, and I have this since 1965. It's nice. It's a nice bowl. When I'm making clams with linguine and all that, it's nice. I put the linguine here, put the clams around, and it's very presentable. You know, it's nice. I enjoy it. I use it for cooking anyway. Put the chicken here. Oh, this smells good. Put the medallion. Okay, now this is done. I'm gonna put the juice on. The chicken piccata, the real chicken piccata, the way it's made. I'd like to announce that on February 11 in Meriden, Connecticut, we're going to open up a pop-up Italian restaurant. So it's going to be open on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, but on Sunday we're going to open because it's Valentine's Day. But every other week it's going to be Thursday, Friday, and Saturday from 4 o'clock to 9 o'clock. I would love to see you guys come in and taste some good Italian food.